What if I told you that just one simple touch, yes, a touch you can do at home, could help restore your strength after 60? Even I was shocked the first time I saw it work. Today, I'll show you exactly how this gentle, science-backed technique can wake up your muscles, improve balance, and make daily tasks easier. And it only takes a minute a day. As we age, it's natural for muscle mass and strength to decrease. Hormonal changes, reduced activity, and even minor nerve disruptions can make lifting, walking, or even opening a jar feel harder. But here's the good news. Your body still responds very quickly when you stimulate the right areas with a gentle, targeted touch. This method is incredibly simple. You place your fingertips on key areas that communicate directly with your nervous system and muscles. Studies show gentle stimulation like this can improve muscle activation, circulation, and coordination. And the best part, it's completely safe for most seniors. When you apply this touch, sensory nerves send signals to the spinal cord and brain. These signals recruit more muscle fibers and improve coordination. Think of it as waking up sleepy muscles. Suddenly, they respond better. And when muscles respond better, everyday strength and balance improve. Here's how to do it. 1. Relax your arm and shoulder. 2. Place your fingertips gently on the upper muscle area. 3. Apply light pressure with small circular movements for 30 to 60 seconds. 4. Repeat daily on both sides. Most people notice subtle changes within a week. Consistency is key. It's gentle, safe, and surprisingly effective. At 67, one person couldn't open a jar without help. After practicing this daily for just a week, they regained their grip strength and independence. Another, at 72, noticed they could climb stairs more confidently. Stories like these are not uncommon. The nervous system and muscles respond beautifully to gentle stimulation. For best results, combine this touch with light resistance exercises, like lifting small weights or using resistance bands, a protein-rich diet, and plenty of water. Daily movement, even short walks, improve circulation and balance. Remember, small improvements each day lead to lasting results. You're never too old to regain strength. Avoid overexertion or using force. The touch should be gentle. Stop if you feel pain. And if you have serious medical conditions, always consult your doctor first. This method is safe for most, but safety comes first. Strength after 60 is not lost. It can be restored one gentle touch at a time. Try this daily and watch small changes turn into big improvements. Share your progress in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more doctor-approved tips to live stronger and healthier after 60.